guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. In front of me I have the all-new Mercedes AMG E53 4MATIC Plus. This is the E-Performance, so in this video I will show you the full exterior, interior and of course the newest gadgets. And I'm so surprised because it has a mix of emotions. It gives me the vibes of the older E63 Sedan because the bonnet is more upward sloping, which is very aggressive, but it also gives me vibes of the new E63, definitely because of these 21-inch forged wheels. Plus the side, it looks very long. But let's first focus here in the front, where we notice the E-class family characteristics. It has the new radiator grille with the Panamericana style, plus it is illuminated with lights. The headlights, it's called the digital light, so we have curve effect that we know from the new E-class. And this color is just beautiful. It is called the opalith white. And in combination with this contrast darkened package, the Night 2 package, it really has amazing emblems in darkened chrome of Falterbach on the top of the bonnet. And please don't mistake it for an E63, and it is easily done because it has an extra wide body, 11 millimeters. So you can see that from the wheel archers. And just amazing aggressive presence with a large Mercedes star in the center. Moving over to the side, you notice that the Night 2 package and the carbon package add value because it has darkened chrome emblems on the side, which has turbo E-Performance. It has the carbon fiber side mirror caps, plus the side skirts are also in glossy black. And I really love the door handles that fold in and out, just like the Mercedes S-Class. So let me just quickly open the door before we have a look at the rear, to show you an amazing, beautiful interior with the Superscreen, which is two separate screens, one 12.3 inch in the front and a combined one for the dash. It has beautiful white interior with these leather seats. So from the rear, this is really a surprise for me. If you don't think about the round exhaust tips, it really has the 63 look. And these round exhaust tips, they are actually 9 centimeters in width. Standard on the E53 AMG, you get the spoiler, and for the carbon fiber package, it will of course be in carbon fiber. We actually have the strip in darkened chrome, plus the Mercedes star in darkened chrome, including the lettering. The whole rear looks so bulgy and just a beautiful form from that perspective. On the side I also notice a second cap with of course fast charging. Amazing. I will show you the bonnet later on. This exterior color is called the opalith white, as I mentioned, and it looks beautiful, just like a matte color. And from that perspective you see the beautiful lines on the side with the extra white wheel archers. So let's have a look at what is in the trunk. And there we notice a lot of trunk space, very surprisingly, because this is a hybrid and the floor is actually to the level of the ground. Underneath you can't store anything, but there is enough space. So I will close the trunk again. And let's go to the driver's seat and I will show you all the gadgets. Let's close the door. Soft closing doors of course. And there we have a beautiful invitation of the AMG E53. I will just press the button for all the electronics to work. And yes, this is the Superscreen. So we have a 12.3 inch screen in front of us, plus two separate ones right here. The one on the side you can only activate while driving if there is a passenger next to you. So you can basically have 3 navigation displays in the full interior, plus for example the navigation in the head-up display. But let's talk about the AMG aspects. Right here we have a beautiful AMG steering wheel with Alcantara on the sides, glossy carbon fiber at the bottom and the top, and it really feels amazing. Also with the glossy carbon fiber at the center console. Furthermore, we have leather, Napa leather for the storage area, plus beautiful white Napa leather seats. So you can change the driving characteristics with the satellite on the steering wheel. Plus it has the new EL electric mode. And this is the standard default mode when you start the car. So it will start in full electric mode first, so you don't awaken neighbors. It has the beautiful ambient lighting alongside the wall interior, just like a cocoon feeling. And yes, this steering wheel is very thick in your hands, just amazing quality. So let's have a look at what is under the bonnet of the E53 AMG 4MATIC Plus. Amazing. There we have a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine combined with the E-Performance hybrid. And this E53 is not solely focused on performance, it also looks at the range. So you can actually reach around 100 kilometers fully electric with the E53. So in total we have 449 horsepower plus 160 kilowatts only from the electric power. So it accelerates to 100 kilometers an hour in just 3.8 seconds, which is amazing considering that this is not the 63. So let me close the bonnet. And let's go to the interior. In the rear there is enough space, but for now I have my seat all the way to the back. And there we notice the cover of the seat, just like a shell with the AMG Sport Cup seats. It has a gap in the back and enough space for the passengers. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the all-new E53 4MATIC Plus, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye. So let's have a look at what is under the bonnet of the E53 AMG 4MATIC Plus. Amazing. So in total we have 449 horsepower plus 160 kilowatts only from the electric power. So it accelerates to 100 kilometers an hour in just 3.8 seconds, which is amazing considering that this is not the 63.